I kind of received a message from Owen a few days ago, and he was telling me to do some of his blood work thing again. And this is actually not the first time that he asked me to do this. I've been like his guinea pig for almost his entire medicine student course thingy, right? From injection, testing of blood pressure, injecting, removing blood. So now we are doing something different. So he texted me, asked me to volunteer and go to his workplace back in a city that I didn't know exists until the day he started working there. So this is a guinea pig trip. Yeah, let's go. It is around 7 a.m. now. Owen actually traveled back here just to accompany us back to his place of work. So anyway, he said we'll leave around 7 and it's already past 7 a.m. We didn't have breakfast, so Owen is buying us breakfast. It's not Angels, it's Frank's burger. I never know this place existed until Owen come here to work. He's actually taking not medicine but medtech. So he's working at the hospital here. Anyway, I never knew about this place until Owen comes here. Even though I live in Silang, I never knew about Tanauan city. This is my first time coming here. So I think only this year I found out about this place when Owen took residence here. Not residence, but practical for the medtech. So we are here for blood testing. Not blood testing, blood donation. Sponsored by Owen.
Blood donation no, free no man.
It's free.
Yeah.
I mean, Owen asked us to come do
Okay.
volunteer blood donating.
So useful. You can Owen have a best.
Yeah. In 3 years' time, you'll be a doctor, and then we'll talk about it.
Pathologist. Oh yes.
Ito pa, dinugaan baboy. Opo, minuto baboy. Ito po ay chicken.
Anyway, so we have lunch, and then we're gonna go back inside. Came here at 10 o'clock, and the blood thingy is around after lunch. We just done with the normal blood checking, hemoglobin checked. Actually, my hemoglobin is low, 12.9, which 13 is the minimum for blood donation, but the doctor said it's okay. So anyway, just finished that, did our physical check, and now we are just waiting to be called up and do the bleeding thing.
What bread?
Samsung what?
Hey man.
Anyway, it's around 3 o'clock, no, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. in the afternoon now. And everything is inside now doing a blood donating thing, bleeding, that's what they are calling it. So one at a time, so you have to be 15 minutes blood bleeding and then 15 minutes rest. So everything is in, I'm here. I'm still here, waiting. I think it's almost time now, so.
Ang gabit ko na wala? And if you can faint, follow me. Feel rubbish type there.
Sino bang magpapayo sa
Alright, yeah. 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 Deep breath, yeah. Alright, yeah. Press it. Stop it. Even loaded.
Where's the light of this one? No, I light the GoPro. It's it. Anyway, we're back from. Yeah, I can't see the road. Anyway, we are back after a long trip. We got on a jeepney from Tanauan all the way to Calamba. And then we changed jeepney at Calamba. Travel all the way to Balibago complex. I think the night catches us along the way from Calamba to Balibago. We arrived Balibago around 7 p.m. and then we got on the bus again from Balibago here, and now it's 8 o'clock sharp. Not sharp, but yeah. Anywho, yeah, that was the trip from Tanauan. That name, yeah, Tanauan Batangas. Now we are home, so yeah, see you on the next one.